Today's title is The Sounds of Summer. I'm in a park near my house now. Can you hear the sounds of summer? Yes, I'm talking about cicadas. When I came back from Spain, I really noticed this sound because I hadn't heard it before I left. I think the sounds of cicadas are the sounds of summer. Even when it's hot, these loud insects make it feel a little bit cooler, especially when you are in the shade. Do you like the sound of cicadas? I do. And I go to a park with my dog every morning, and I hear this. I'm happy to be here, but I wish it were a little cooler.
There are 2 questions. Please answer them. Question 1. Is the speaker in Spain now? Answer. No, he isn't. Question 2. Who does the speaker go to the park with every morning? Answer. He goes with his dog. Next, please express your opinion. Question. What do you think about listening to natural sounds like cicadas in the summer? Example. I think it is nice because natural sounds help us feel connected to nature and enjoy the summer season. Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.
毎日2分で英語耳を鍛えたい方は、今のうちにチャンネル登録をお願いします。